standing in the hallway of a house we built, under the weight of the silence and the ghost of the guilt. I used to have a key, I used to have a home, but now every hallway feels hollow and lone. I'm watching your eyes turn to shutters of glass, watching the light of our history pass. There's no shouting, no crashing of plates, just the heavy vibration of closing the gates. It's a clinical chill, it's a quiet despair, as you pull back the love that was hanging in the air. And there it is, the sound of a heart locking. No use in pleading, no use in knocking. A heavy iron bolt sliding into the deep. A promise you're breaking, a secret you'll keep. It's the click of the tumblers, the end of the line. The moment I realize you're no longer mine. It's a deafening thud, it's a permanent wall. The sound of a heart like once and for all. I tried to be the bridge, I tried to be the light, but you're turning the deadbolt and killing the night. Every I love you is a ghost in the van. Now I'm just a tenant whose money's been spent. You're rearranging the rooms in your head, making sure there's no space for the things that I said. And there it is, the sound of a heart locking. No use in pleading, no use in knocking. A heavy iron bolt sliding into the deep. A promise you're breaking, a secret you'll keep. It's the click of the tumblers, the end of the line. The moment I realize you're no longer mine. It's a deafening thud, it's a permanent wall. The sound of a heart locking once and for all. Maybe it's self-preservation, maybe it's just the end of the road, but I'm standing outside in the emotional cold. And the worst part of losing the war that we fought is knowing I'm trapped in the space you forgot. Click, and the echoes die down. Click, I'm a stranger in town. I'm still holding the handle, but it won't even turn. Just another lesson I didn't want to learn. The sound of a heart locking. The silence is so loud.